and girls. How are you? Happy Wednesday. Today, we're going to review our sight words. We're going to do some fill in the blanks with sight words in our sentences. We're going to go over some triple blends. But most importantly, I would like you to pay attention to my expertly styled hair, which was done by my very own daughter, Madeline. So I wanted to make sure that you saw it because she wanted to make sure that I looked beautiful for teaching you guys today. All right, so here we go. Creeper, go on. All right, sight words. Say, soon. Remember, I want you to point at your imaginary watch. Soon. Eat. Pretend that's a mouth getting ready to eat the rest of the word. About. Pretty. And must. Okay, do your best like mom or dad point. Must. You must eat your broccoli. All right. So we're going to go over these sight words again one more time, a little bit quicker. Say, soon, eat, about, pretty, must. All right, and what we're going to try to do is figure out which one goes in the blank. All right, so here we go. I will go to bed. And then we've got to figure out which one makes the most sense. So I'm going to give you guys just a couple seconds to figure it out. All right, and then we're going to fill in the blank with the correct sight word. All right. I will go to bed. Say? No. I will go to bed soon. Yeah, that kind of makes sense, right? I will go to bed eat. I will go to bed about. I will go to bed pretty. I will go to bed must. Now, pretty does kind of make sense in there, but I was looking for the word soon. I will go to bed soon. Nice. All right. Next sentence. Sight word here. So my mom is so blank. All right. Give you just a couple seconds to think about the correct sight word. All right. What'd y'all come up with? Good. My mom is so eat. Oh. My mom is so must. Oh. My mom is so pretty. Oh, very nice. All right, here we go. I think your moms would like this sentence very much. All right, and then really quickly want to go over our triple blends. We've got skr, spool, spur, squa, stir. Okay? All right, here we go. Let's get started. All right, it's my favorite. I'm going to say two words that rhyme, and I want you to give me another word that could go in with that word family. Okay? Spring, ring. Spring, ring. Yeah. We have fling, ding, zing, bring, as long as it has that ing sound in it. All right, here we go. Peach, screech. Peach, screech. Oh, I got a good one. One of Miss Thackeray's favorite places. Peach, screech, beach. And I like to teach. Check me out. All of them have that each sound. All right. Squirt, shirt. Squirt, shirt. Okay, this was a little bit tougher. Dirt, hurt. They all have that ert sound in them. Nice job. All right, I'm going to say a word. I want you to go ahead and repeat it back to me, and then tell me that blend you hear at the beginning. All right, so here we go. Scream. All right, that beginning blend. Skrr. Yes. Squash. Beginning blend. Squa. Excellent. Splat. Beginning blend. Spool. Yes. Spread. Beginning blend. Spur. Nice. And last one, stream. Beginning blend, stir. You got it. All right, now we're going to say it fast. So here we go. I'm just going to give you kind of a heads up as to how many sounds are in this word so you don't start trying to say it too soon. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 sounds in this word. Squawk. Squawk. Good. Stretch. Yes, that one had a lot of sounds in it. Squeeze. Squeeze. Good. Ice. Splice. Very nicely done, boys and girls. All right. Now we're going to do is we're going to remember our roller coaster I taught you on Monday. We're going to go ahead and we're going to say a sound. We're going to break it apart into its beginning, middle, and final sounds. And then you guys are going to tell me the word you hear in the middle. All right, so here we go. Ready? Bag. B-ag. So that middle sound was ah. Excellent. Wet. W-et. Middle sound, eh. Dip. D-ip. Middle sound, eh. Good job. Cot. K-ot. Middle sound, ah. Mud. M-ud. Middle sound, Rain. Rain. Middle sound was that A. Notice we heard the A say its name. It's that long A sound. Okay, next word, boat. Boat. Middle sound, O. Good. Side. Side. Middle sound was I. Also a long vowel, right? You heard the I say its name. Mule. Mule. Middle sound was U. Yep. And last one, beat. Beat. Middle sound, E. Good. All right, so now what we're going to do is you guys are going to break it down. Word. Okay, here we go. The word is sprain. Sprain, right? So this one's a little bit trickier. Spur. A-n. Sprain. And then if we break apart that spur, we've got sp-er-a-n. Sprain with 5 sounds. Excellent job, boys and girls. All right, this next one, straw. Straw. Okay? Stir. Aw. And then you got to break apart that stir. St-er-aw. Straw. 4 sounds in that word with that triple S blend at the beginning. Good. Next one we're going to do is scream. Ah! Scream. All right. Ready? Skr. E-m. Scream. And break apart that skr. Sk-er-e-m. Scream. You got it. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be word magicians and we're going to change the beginning blend in a word. All right. So here we go. My word is slum. Sul. Change the sul to a dur. Drum. Good. My word is drill. Dur. Ill. Change that dur to a gur. Grill. Yes. My word is group. Gur. Oop. Change the gur to a sk. Scoop. Excellent. My word is grub. Gur. Ub. Change the gur to a sn. Snub. Yes. My word is snap. Sn. App. Change that sn to a tur. Trap. Yes. My word is bread. Burr. Ed. Change that burr to a dur. Dread. You guys did awesome. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a consonant sound to the beginning of the word to create a word that actually is going to have a blend at the beginning. All right. My word is low. Add b to the beginning. Blow. Excellent. My word is lash. Add f to the beginning. Flash. Good. My word is lay. Add p to the beginning. Play. Yes. My word is car. Add s to the beginning. Scar. My word is lap. Add s to the beginning. Slap. My word is rum. Add d to the beginning. Drum. Excellent. My word is room. Add g to the beginning. Groom. Yes. And I don't know if you guys have ever heard of a bride, right? But the bride gets married to a groom. So the groom is the boy. All right. Now we're going to take that beginning triple blend and we're going to throw it out the window. So my word is squall. Squall. Take away that squa. What's left? All. Good. My word is stretch. Take away that stir. What's left? Etch. Good. My word is scrapes. Scrapes. Take away that skr, what's left? Apes. Good. My word is squeeze. Take away that squa, what's left? Ease. Nice job, boys and girls. You knocked that one out of the ballpark today. So I want to go really quickly through my sight words again. Say, soon, eat, about, pretty, must. Right? All right. Say, soon, eat, about, pretty, and must. Okay? All right. Sorry, I was messing my beautiful hair there. All right. I hope you guys are having a fantastic and wonderful Wednesday. I will see you soon on Thursday. Tomorrow's letter is going to be H for helping hands. Just make sure that you guys are logging on to Think Central and doing your math lessons because I assigned some of those for this week. And I can't wait to read some of your journal writings. So have a great day, boys and girls. Love you. Bye.